In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in a new ball of yarn when working in crochet. Today, we're going to be using our Jersey Be Good yarn in the jog grey colourway and one of our 12mm silver crochet hooks. Let's get started. If you're joining in a new ball of yarn in the same colour, work your crochet stitch up until the final yarn wrap. I'll show you what I mean on this single crochet swatch. So just work your stitch as normal. And if you are completing a normal single crochet stitch, you'd wrap your yarn around and bring it through. So that's a normal stitch. When you're joining in a new ball of yarn, you're going to stop before that final wrap. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. Insert your hook, yarn around, pull it through, don't do that final yarn wrap. You're going to now bring in your new ball of yarn and begin crocheting with it. So you're going to complete that single crochet stitch with the new ball of yarn and not use the old tail. So one easier way of doing this is if you hold on to the new ball of yarn using your right hand, which is also holding onto the crochet hook, lay it over your hook, just pretending that it's attached as normal, and draw it through. Now make sure you've got a good tail which you can then sew in at the end. So now you have just a normal single crochet stitch which has been completed half using the old yarn and then finished off using the new yarn. So you can just continue to work in single crochet as normal, like so. And once you've finished your project, you'll go back and weave in those two yarn tails. So there you have it. That's how to join in a new ball of yarn when crocheting.